Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm having fun with a song from 21 Savage. He released a lot of songs now recently, an album. I wish this is the one I picked. Now let's go into this tutorial. As you can see, capo on 6, absolute best scenario for us. So bring that capo in, put it on the 6th fret, and let's go over the chords needed. We're gonna start with A minor 7. Okay, so A minor 7 goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is the G. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We have the E minor 7. All strings open except from that 2nd fret A. You're gonna hold that, otherwise all strings open and incorporated. So that's the 3rd chord, and the last one will be the F C chord. So 3rd A, 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So it's basically an F major 7 with that C note on top. So there we have the chords. Now let's go into the melody, and we're gonna start with A minor 7. Hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play. So that pretty much rolls down. Open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open B. Then you go into the G chord, and you're gonna play this. So 3rd fret E in the bass, open D, open G, 1st B, open B, open G, and open D. Then we have the E minor 7. It goes like this. So it's open E in the bass, open D, open G, 1st B, and open B. And finally we have the F C chord. It goes like this. So you're gonna play 3rd A, 3rd D, open G, 1st B, open B, open G, and then you end on that 3rd fret E string. So you're gonna switch the bass note now and play that together with open D. So you basically land on the G chord or G note. And that's it. Okay, that's the end of the melody. So slowly goes like this. Okay, you can keep on rolling with that from the beginning till the very end, but sometimes you wanna have some variety in your playing, so you can switch up to some strumming instead. And now, of course, you need to hold the full chords as they are. So we have kind of a 2-part strumming here. It goes like this. And so on. All right. So you're gonna start with A minor and play down, up, clap. So down, up, clap, and then you go to G and play down, up, clap. So one more time on that down, up. And then you go to the E minor 7, playing the same way as the A minor 7. So down, up, clap. And then you go to the final chord, the F C, and play down, up. Okay? And then to G and play down. So instead of that final clap in the part 2, play it down instead on that G chord. Or if you don't think that's too much to switch up to a full chord, you can just go into the D note, sorry, G note. It's a 3rd fret E string. So yeah, it goes like this. the 3rd fret E, okay? You don't have to go all the way down to that G and just hit that 3rd fret E fast and then start a new round. So slowly like this. Alright, so there you have it, guys. 21 Savage. I wish that's what you need to know to handle that song. So good luck with this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.